We're all set.
Okay, 5 in the camera over the shoulder, left.
Number 5. All right. There you go, roll out left. Don't pull back, don't pull back, don't pull back. Don't automatically pull. You gotta go forward, stick forward, forward. We need some speed, more forward. Come on, push it down, there you go, hold it there. Now, tighten up your belly and smoothly pull back now, smoothly. Lights on. That's it, don't pull anymore. That's good G. Oh, this is a real nice one. That's a perfect pull. Now, stick right. Nice. All right, stick forward, don't pull up. There you go, nice. Okay, now start your pull. There you go, come on. Now you can pull hard. Come on. Come on, Sally, get in there. There you go, get a good shot. Hold the trigger down. Oh. There you go. Good smoke. Knock it off. Now, you see? You followed what I said and I got you there. I've been trying the whole time.
Just a little bit.
I'm sorry, say again?
Good, in place right.
Very nice.